Design meets its match in performance. Behind the immaculate finish of every Aerobu is a journey of advanced engineering. Curious how? Real outdoor performance isn't just about the materials. It also needs top-notch precise manufacturing. That's where new ideas really take off. We're all about science. Our Tangerang R&D lab has been at this for over 25 years. Using advanced German technology, and we blow up the foam to create those huge open cells that make quick-dry foam what it is. We test every single block very carefully. We check how much they can handle and how bouncy they are, so we know they'll perform perfectly. We use precise machinery to cut the foam, and our custom team gets to work building your cushions. Thanks to our advanced sewing tech, you get perfect tough stitching, all done exactly how you want it. We've got 25 years of R&D expertise, a massive scale, and a focus on what science tells us. Give us a shot and let's work together to design your next outdoor collection.